Good morning everyone. I Gurpreet Kaur again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today again we are here to learn about computers. Okay. So in previous classes, in previous PPTs we have learnt about introduction to MS Paint. Today again we will continue with the same chapter. But the topics that we are going to cover today is resizing the paint window, means how we are going to resize the paint window, and next topic is using shape tools, how we are going to use that shape tools, how we are going to draw the shapes in the MS Paint. So let's start. So first topic is resizing paint window. Resizing means when we want to open, when we want to close, or when we want to minimize something, that we can done with the help of resizing, that we are calling the resizing paint window. In the parts of the MS Paint, in the previous slide we have learned that there are three control buttons on the paint window. There are three control buttons on the paint window. Basically that three control buttons are used to resizing in the paint window. Let's start how we are going to resize. To resize the paint window, first we have to place the pointer to the right of the title bar. Here it is title, right of the title bar. We have to place the pointer here. After that, click on the center control buttons known as restore down button. Then you have to click on the center control button, basically this button. This is known as restore down button. After that, you noticed the paint window turns smaller. When you click on this button, the paint window becomes smaller. Before clicking this, the paint window is on the full screen. Before clicking this button, the paint window opened on the full screen. But when you click on restore down button, your paint window become minimized. Now see, it's minimized. It is half screen is blank. It's minimized. Okay. Now notice the paint window turns smaller. The restore down button changes to maximize. The restore button changes to maximize button. After this, when you click on this button, now you have seen in this button, in restore button, two cube like shapes are there, two rectangles are there. Okay, but when you click on the restore button and your window becomes minimized, becomes smaller, then what will happen? You will see that after that restore button becomes maximize. Only single rectangle is there. That is the maximize button. If two rectangles are there, this is a minimize button. This is the maximize button, sorry. Okay, when two rectangles are there, that is restore button. Single rectangle is there, that is maximize button. Now, after this, click again on the center button, which is known as maximize button. The paint window gets back to its normal size, that is full screen. When you again click on this maximize button, your paint window will again cover the whole screen. You will not able to see this half blank. The paint window will cover the whole screen. This is the meaning of maximize, means we want to enlarge the size of the paint window. I hope it's clear how we are going to resizing the paint window. There are two buttons. First, when you click on the control button, when you open the window, it will be on the, when you open the paint window, it will be on the whole screen. Then there are two rectangular buttons in the center of the control buttons. That is known as restore down button. So when you click on that button, your window becomes smaller. It covers the half screen. Then that restore down button converts to the maximize button. That is, that converts to a single rectangle. That single rectangle is known as a maximize button. Then you again click on the maximize button. Then you will see your window, paint window again covers the whole screen. Your paint window again covers the whole screen. That means you are again able to maximize it. So resizing means to make it small or to make it large. So with these two buttons we are able to resize the paint window. Okay. The next topic is using shape tools. Now we have already learned that there are different type of tabs and groups in the paint window. There are different tabs and groups in the paint window. So in file tab there are different shape tools or different shape groups. In file tab there is a group that is known as shapes, and this shape group contains different type of tools or different type of shape tools. So we can draw different shapes like circle, rectangle, triangle, stars, etc. in paint by using inbuilt shapes. This means that when we are using the paint, we don't have to draw the shapes with the pencil. We have inbuilt shapes in the paint window. We can use these shapes directly on our paint screen. Okay, just we have to drag that tool from the shape tool, and we have to drop it on our drawing area. We can drag and drop these tools. Okay, we can drag and drop these tools. With the help of these tools we are able to see we can draw a line, curve, oval, square, rectangle, different type of shapes, stars, arrows. We can draw all these shapes. All these shapes are inbuilt in the paint window, so it makes our work easier. When you do practical, you are able to know that how we are going to use these tools. Okay, so there are so many type of shape tools. You have to learn that there is one tab, that is file tab. In that file tab you are going to cover the shapes. Group. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. So for the next you have to continue with us. Okay, bye everyone. Stay tuned with us for the next videos.